Hi, today I'm really excited to do a packing video on our new Amber MIDI in croc, in antique rose and in the toffee that you can see here today. These bags are absolutely stunning. They're just the same as the Amber regular size but 20% smaller, but packed with all the same functionality and perfectly placed pockets that you need for a day out on your own, working or with baby. And in a minute I'm going to take you around and I'm going to show you how you can use them for all three. First of all, we're going to dive into the black one, which is the black croc, just to show you the insides. So at the front here, first of all, we've got this handy mummy pocket. In here, I put all my essentials. I'm going to show you in a second how we pack that. And inside here, with the gorgeous two-way zips, you've got this nice big opening so you can see inside the bag really easily. On the sides, we've got insulated bottle holders. And at the front, we have two additional pocket holders here. And then at the back, you can see we've got this nice little dog clip hanging down where you can put your keys or a dummy. And we've got this security pocket at the back. This is a really great slip pocket that you can put an iPad or a book, magazine, anything like that in there. And then the security pocket at the back is great for any medication. But I will show you all of that in just a second. Moving the bag around to the side, we've got this lovely luggage tag. These are £21 on our website, and that comes with a monogramming across the bottom with your initials, which is really lovely. We've got two-way zip pockets on either side, which are nice and spacious and can fit loads of things in there for easy access. Then we've got this beautiful Warrior. This is £35, and again, that comes with the personalisation, and it just adds a bit of luxury to the bag. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Spinning it around to the back, we have padded straps that are adjustable, and we have these slide over straps as well. This means you can take it on a flight, take it through the airport, put it on your trolley bag, and it won't fall off and bash your ankles, which I think is genius. On one side we have a small zip pocket, and on the other side we have a longer one. In a second I'm going to show you how you can use those for different things. And that's basically the MIDI quick run through, showing you around the bag on the outside and the inside. Now I'm going to show you the toffee all set out for Dave to go to work. And here it is, the Amber MIDI in toffee, ready to go to work. So taking you now into the front section of the bag, which we said before was like a mummy pocket. In here, I've got my Poppy. It's a great little card holder, little zip top on it there. You can put cards on the front and business cards on the back, and that sits in there really nicely. I've got my phone, so I'm ready to go. And in here, I've got things that I'm gonna need, like a hand cream. I've got my lipstick, always need a nail file, and always need a hair bobble and some hair clips just in case. Over here, we've got a place to put cards. I tend to use that if I'm going down on the train. I put my Oyster card in there, one credit card and a few business cards, and I'm basically good to go for an overnight stay. Zipping up the middle section of the bag now and just tipping that forward. Even though I've really filled this bag, there's still plenty of room inside. You can see here, we've got the Tilly purse sat at the side. I've got my glasses so that I can do some work on the train. I've got myself some hairspray and a brush so that I'm all ready to go for a day tonight. Back section here, I've got an iPad and a notepad. So I'm just going to take those out and put them to one side. And basically I can get all of my work done either on my phone with a notepad or with my iPad. My keys are safely on this D-ring and the dog clip, so I'm not going to try and find them in the bottom of my bag at all. I always know where they are, and I have a pen ready to go. Finally, at the bottom of the bag, if I can reach down, we have our little zip top purse. This is our multi-use, waterproof, machine washable zip top purse, and I've just got toiletries in there so that I can go from day to night, freshen up, and I'm literally good to go. Around the back of the bag, as I said to you before, we have these two security pockets. So this is a really great place to put a passport. On the other side, this is a really great place to put your tech. We've got my Kindle, so that if I do get my work done and I have some time to take out some time for me, I've got my Kindle ready to go. So that basically shows you around the bag. We've got the bottle on one side. This pocket's actually empty at the moment, so you still have plenty of storage space left. And that is the Amber MIDI, all laid out for a day out going to the office or a day out just with you on your own. Now I'm going to switch this over and I'm going to show you the Amber Rose in the MIDI size, all laid out for a day out with your baby. By magic, it turns into a rose-coloured mini Amber for baby. So just taking you again through to the mummy pocket, not so different really, because even though we're mums, we still have the same things that we need to take out every day. We've got places for our cards here. I've got my phone ready to go. I've got my moisturiser, my nail file, a lipstick, and basically that's kind of really easy for quick access items that I'm going to need at the drop of a hat to grab them, to get them and get them out. Again, with the really nice light lining, it makes it really easy to find everything, and with the zips going nice and low down at the sides, you really do get easy access to see what's going on in that pocket. Taking you now into the main section, I'm just going to tip that forward so you can see inside. I've got this laid out as if I had 2 children. I'd say this is a great bag for if you've got 1 child, but equally if you've got 1 child and another one's a little bit older, I have packed it just to show how much you can actually fit inside because it's quite astounding. It's like a TARDIS. So first of all, we've got our soother. That just stays on there, so we've got easy access. If I need it and my child's crying, I can grab it really quickly. I know exactly where it is. It's also not touching anything else, which I think is really good, and it just keeps it in a nice, safe place away from all the other items in the bag. We've got our teether, we've got our toy. On the side here, we've got our baby milk bottle. The pockets on the outsides and on the insides are insulated, so you can switch it up. You can either put this bottle on the outside or you can put it on the inside, and we can take up to 4 bottles as well. So if you're having twins, you can still go out with this bag and have enough room to take twins, which I think is amazing. In the bottom here, I've just got the multi-zip top. In here, I've got a couple of nappies and I've got wipes. So this is really great if you want to nip off to the toilet, take the baby to change it, you can give it to your partner and they can take it and then bring it back afterwards. Equally, if you have a punami and you need to take all of the spare pair of clothes, put them out of the way because there's been an accident, you can replace them and put them in that bag knowing that the inside of your bag is not going to get ruined. At the back here, I've got our little non-padded fold-up changing mat and I've got some additional nappies and wipes. If you want to, you can put your tech in here on a notepad, but what's great about this bag is that if you spin it round, we do have a secret pocket at the back here that you can put tech. So here I've got my Kindle, I could equally put in some tech for my child, or I could put an iPad in here as well. And on the other side, I've got a smaller security pocket, and in here, I've just got my purse. This pocket is ready for me to put my snacks in. So today I've just taken some snacks. So if me or the children get hungry, I've got some snacks ready to go. And on the other side, I stay hydrated with my water bottle. So that basically gives you a quick insight. You can see just how much you can pack into the Amber Midi for a day out with your baby or your children. And it's just a really, really great size for everyday use.